So today we are discussing Algo Professor first course, the basic module course. Basic module Algo Professor course. So what is that? We have covered in this course Python from scratch to advanced, all Python libraries, and pandas, matplotlib, cbons, a different from natural libraries and algorithmic libraries. And also the second one, the classical machine learning algorithm, ml algorithms. The third part, whatever the algorithms you are learning, you placed in a GitHub. This is a very important thing. This is a internship level. The internship level program. It's a internship level. So it's maybe undergraduate, like a second year and a third year, plus masters. So we call it as a masters. That's a pg, that's a pg program level, the first year and the second year internship level program. So at the end of internship we can experience with python plus uh, all ml algos, the plus you are showcase your knowledge in a GitHub, plus some blocks, we can write your some blocks related. That is a model we incorporated in this basic level. So that's a duration is 30 days duration, 30 days duration. So daily 2 hours. So we cover in this module. At the end we can give the certificate, course completion certificate, okay, in a basic module. So that is a basic model. Now we are going to the first model for the first lecture, linear regression model. So what is that? So linear regression, the first classical algorithm in a machine learning, linear regression. So that's we are using Algo Professor ideology. The first step, what is that the exam, what is the objective of linear regression? Objective of linear regression. So what is that? Linear regression is nothing but to find a prediction, the prediction in the sense. So we can find, for example, I can take a bunch of data set, I can prepare my own data set in all my courses. I can prepare my own data sets, then we can use your own data sets, and then some UCLA data set, already prepared data set, you can perform your algorithms. So the data set represents, I have taken two columns, one is area, another one price of apartments in India context. So that is a data set, represents the area. So area in square feet and it's a price. So we started with for example 1500 SFT to it's maybe 32 lakhs, like that. It may be 700 SFT, it may be 37 lakhs, like that. So a bunch of data, it's maybe a 4000 SFT, it may be 1 crore, like that. We have a bunch of data is there. We can find three values. Very important thing is the that is what is that, area equal to the formula, area equal to what is that, the basic model, y equal to mx plus b. So here the we can find area no, area, we are using two variables, area and price. So our price equal to the m into coefficient, that's a slope, so that is a area into constant, that's a constant means y intercept, we call it as intercept. So that is we can find a mathematical formula, that is a f of um, the function like that, f of area. For example, I can find f of 900 sft, how much price. I can find f of in between also, that is interpolated values. For example, 1780, how much we can find. So f of, for example, 10,000 also we can find. So our linear regression model is nothing but a predictive model, prediction. So prediction we can find, so is intrapolated value, intra, we can call intrapolated values, or extrapolated value, intra, that's a extrapolated values also we can find, we can find. So, so one thing is narrate that, so our what is the main objective of this linear regression means to find a best fit line or plane or hyperplane. So that is that. So now we go for actual objective of this model. So what is that? For example, the actual linear regression model, linear regression. So what is the objective? So it's a very important thing. Objective or findings. So what is that? I can take, so what is that? To find best fit, best fit. The first one, it's a two-dimensional data. Is a two-dimensional data. Your objective is to find a best fit line. It has a three-dimensional data. It's maybe a plane will come. So that is a two-dimensional means x y. So three-dimensional x y z like that. It's maybe a fourth dimensional or n dimensional. So we can find hyperplane, hyperplane. So that is a very important thing, that's x y z some t r s, so on like that. So what is that? You are finding a best fit or line or a plane or hyperplane. So that is a very important objective of whatever the data you are given. The data we are given, data sets, whatever the data sets we are given. So what is that? This data set, what is the importance this one? To find a prediction. The prediction, it may be a interpolated values, interpolated or extrapolated. So the previously I am taken as a model. For example, I am using a very simple model. The data points are area and its price. It's a price of apartment. So we started with 1500. It may be 32 lakhs. It may be 1600. It may be 33 lakhs. It may be 1800. It may be 35 lakhs. Like that, we have a 4000 SFT data is a 1 crore. So this is the data set we are given in a real time programming also. So based on that, we can, the first step, the step one, the data set preparation, data set preparation. So your own data, the my model is like that, my courses will teach you can prepare your own data set. The step two, So these data set process these data sets. So step 3, to apply ML models, ML algos, to apply ML models. Now let us go to the first step and second step, third step in a live environments. So now I prepare my own data set, home price data set. So for example, I can take like that. So another a bunch of data. Definitely I will take. Uh, so for example, so another one data also I prepare like that. For example, I can change 1700 maybe 2125 like that, 2645, so 3345, 4589, 3467, some data we are changing like that, 4589 now already there, 67 like so this is my data set. So okay, very good. Now so this data so this data set we can copy in my whatever the processing purpose I am using C drive, but data retrieving purpose, users and OSIS, we can paste here. So already is there, I can replace that one. That's very good. Now I open my Jupyter notebook. So what is that? I can prepare my linear regression model. So what is the formula? The price equal to the m is a slope, m into area plus intercept. This is the formula. So the price is, here I am using a price, whatever the price. For example, we can find below the price, intermediate price, or we can find extrapolated based on the area. So here the price is depend with area. So here this is called price, we call it as a dependent variable. So independent variable here area. So that is a very important thing. So here two variables are we are facing. So one is dependent, another one is independent. The first step, what is the first step? We are importing some libraries. These are called basic libraries: pandas, numpy, seaborn. So this is a algorithmic library. So what type of algorithm you are using? So already we are using some linear regression model. Linear regression has some mathematics involved in this one, that will discuss in a mathematical intuition in this one, in the next video. So another one, visualization library also we are. So we are importing what is your path of, we can find for example at what your path of your CSV file purpose, where already we are placed in this one. Now I can read my file. So my file is reading. So okay, nearly that's a 39 data points, that points are there. I can scatter my plots. So what is that here? So what is that? This is the data set is there. So this is the areas, this is the price value, I am scattering. Now I can for example, I am dropping my price value, only we get some area. What is that? Here I am using two variables. One is dependent and the one is independent. Independent here is the area, dependent is a price. So now I can find the price. See again, this is only 19 will come. So again like 39 is what's, that's now to apply my model to apply. So what is the formula for this? What is the code for this one? Regression equal to linear underscore model linear regression function. So function we are finding in the fit model, rig underscore rig dot fit. So whatever the new data frame here, new data is what is that, new df is what is that, here new data is this one. So the your price, that's why new data, that is a relation between linear regression is nothing but linear regression dependent and independent. That's why, so new df comma price we are using this model. So this model is a linear regression. For example, I am predicting 2700 SFT area. So nearly we got like that. I am predicting, for example, 900 SFT. I've got like that. For example, I am what is that we are finding the coefficient value, when m value we are finding here. See this one. M value we are intercept value we are finding intercept. So now we are changing the values, the intercept, and that's the same value we are getting like okay. So now that we are calculate manually, the same value will come 2700, same value will look at. For example, 900 also same value will look at. The same value that is a interpolated below value and extrapolated 10,000 also we are calculating like that. 10,000, for example 10,000 SFT, that is also work. So now I am plotting scatter plot. What is that? This is the data points when you are getting. So what is our main object to find a best fit line? It is a two-dimensional data. That's why we can find a best fit line. This is the line. So the line will pass us through only certain points, not for all points. So that's why we have a maximum loss is there. We loss that loss we'll discuss in the next class. So only the first objective is to find a best fit line. That is our intention in this the first lecture. So you can draw a line. That's a line is like that, for example. So now we can use a very simple model, sns.rig plot. Otherwise, we can make this is also another will command like this is also we can use these programming commands also. We can find the best. So this is a data points and line are same color. This is the different color representation purpose we are using that command. So this is a very simple model when you are applying. The first idea is to find a best fit line for this whatever the data points when you are given. Thank you one and all.